Hello and welcome to EW tutorial. So today I am going to tell you what is the actual architecture of Django, right? And Django works on MVT, right? So if you remember, we have generated one models and generated views file and the templates, and we have also included the actual global URL global URL in a separate URL section which is in our app. So these things all are in under the app section, and it first is in global and then in separate app file. So this is my app file, right? So if you remember, we have generated one index.html file. If you remember where it is, here. So now it is, these are my HTML files in templates, right? HTML and names and these things, right? So index, okay, these are my HTML files which is in under the templates. So all the templates which is come into the front end part is in, it is called as templates. You can use as React, you can use Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any of the front end technology. These all things are comes into the template part. And in the views part, it is generally we call as a backend. We call it as a backend, and it contains all the business logic what we want to do. We want to retrieve, we want to insert, all these things comes into the view section. And this model is generally we say as a table generation or a database section, right? So if you remember, these all things are we were doing in the app in my previous videos. If you remember, we have generated the forms.py file, but that was not in the view section. But we are generating the forms using model properties, and we are passing it to the views. Why views? Because it is a business logic. This is a business logic, and we are transferring it to the templates. If you remember, it is not that complex structure, but in the big application this structure could be complex, but it can be easily understandable, right? And if you have more queries in understanding these models and the in the previous videos, you can directly comment it out, or you can directly email me. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.